Okay guys, here we go again. We're just getting started here. We got this cylinder, piston, and head on, no bolts in, of course, no top end, yada yada. And here I left the old original 1200 on. So we can kind of tell and look at the difference here. One of the key differences is here. I don't know if that probably makes it worse. Okay. So, this is the original intake port. Notice how rough that cast is. That cast is 1.55 inches on my calipers, okay? This is the swirl port Screaming Eagle head. And it measures 1.75. So it's about 20 thousandths larger than the other one. The swirl port, I think, it may have some performance bonuses, but it looks to me like it's just a after effect caused from machining, and if you put a name on it, you don't have to clean it up. Is kind of what I'm thinking. There again, there's the old one. And there's the new one. No doubt the new one is a lot better. No doubt. As far as the size of the fins go. Well, you can kind of see here, there's a difference there. We don't have any fins in the middle here, but here we do on the old ones. This one here, there are holes back here. Right here, you can see the back of my hand in there. There are holes back there to allow air to flow through the fins to the exhaust and keep everything cooler back there. These front ones do not. The large fin kit appears to be roughly the same size on this side. Like I said, I didn't measure anything yet. But on this side, it clearly, it's hard to tell because I still got all this crap here, but it sticks out farther. I don't know that the cylinder does. I don't think the cylinder is any larger. Now, I ordered the big fin cylinders, so why that doesn't match, I do not know. I was under the impression that the way these match up here, see, where the head and the cylinder match, that this was to do the same thing. And I don't see that being the case. I'm not sure why. For all I know, I got something on here backwards. I don't know. Maybe I should rethink my position here. But all the dowel pins, everything lines up, so I think there's just something funky going on. I don't know. I'll have to investigate that. All right. Bye for now.